County of Santa Clara has declared a local emergency due to the coronavirus.
New Year events in the Bay Area this week, 2 in Palo Alto and 1 in Dublin.
The fear of the coronavirus is spreading.
For human-to-human transmission.
Safety, right? I sort of scared since
People worry about the unknown.
Hello everyone, my name is Adam and I am technician with Fuse HVAC and appliance repair. In this video, I'm gonna find out how to protect your family against viruses, bacteria and infections inside your house. Okay, let's get started. The first thing is simple. If you have in your house central AC, you have to install correct air filter which have MERV 13 rating, which will provide you full cleaning of your air against the mold, viruses, infections, bacteria, including coronavirus. Also, you have to make sure that you replace your air filter every 90 days as recommend manufacturer, because if you won't be replace this filter every 90 days, if you will use HVAC system the whole year for the AC and heating, that will be means dirty filter won't clean air very well and it will be decrease efficiency of your HVAC system. The next step is simple as well. You have to every day to do wet cleaning of your house with some detergent with wash away the bacteria and to do disinfection. The next step is simple as well. When you wash your hands, you have to wash your hands at least 20 seconds. With soap, for sure. The next step is little fancy. For kill all bacteria and viruses which went through the air filter, we have to install the simple UV light purifier, which comes with UV light bulb like this. So right now I'm gonna install this purifier UV light filter to HVAC system inside my house. So right now I'm simply make a hole in the plenum for the supply, and I put there just for measure this purifier without bulb first, just to make sure what is simply fit to this hole. And I can right now install this bulb, UV light bulb, to here and just connect to the power. That's it. So right now purifier UV light system is running. I connected just to the power, so we'll see the blue light, everything works, and supposed to be running the whole 24/7, and this bulb need to be replaced every year. Okay, let's check how the UV light works. So yeah, it's definitely work, and I see the ultraviolet light there. And remember guys, if you will follow these simple steps for protect your family against viruses, bacteria and mold in your house, you for sure will be protected for 100% from coronavirus. Please press the button subscribe and see you in the next video.
They say wash your hands frequently, more frequently than you normally would. Also, if you feel sick, stay home and monitor credible news outlets like this one.